Hey, GlowFit family! Welcome back to another powerful session. Today, we're doing a zigzag workout. This is all about switching between low and high intensity. Now, here's the secret. In the low intensity phase, we move at a steady pace for about 40 seconds. This builds endurance and keeps our muscles engaged. But then, boom! We hit a high intensity burst for just 10 seconds. This is where you push hard, go all out, and spike that heart rate. Why does this method work? Because it helps burn more calories, improve stamina, and build explosive strength all in one session. This workout is also beginner-friendly, so if you're just starting, take it slow during the high-intensity parts. Let's get ready and jump right in. To get the best results, place your device laptop, mobile, or tablet in front of you and follow along with us. This way, you can stay engaged, perform each move correctly. Complete your 30-day bodyweight challenge with confidence. Stay consistent, push yourself, and remember, watch this video till the end and repeat it as many times as needed to memorize the movements. Before we begin, make sure your body is warm. Do some light stretches, roll your shoulders, and take deep breaths. We want to stay injury-free and make the most out of this workout. Workout breakdown, zigzag style. First set, jumping jacks, 40 sec, and running plank, 10 sec. All right, first up, jumping jacks. Let's go for 40 seconds. Keep your arms fully extended and land softly to protect your knees. This is great for warming up your entire body. Now, drop down into a running plank. Only 10 seconds, so go all out. Drive those knees up toward your chest, keep your core tight, and move fast. Tip: focus on your breathing. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth to keep your energy up. 10-second rest before moving on. Second set, toe touch, 40 sec, and split squat, 10 sec. Now, toe touch, slow it down with toe touches. Keep your legs straight and reach down, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings. Don't rush this, let the stretch work its magic. And now split squats. Explode up and switch legs in the air. Only 10 seconds, so push through. Tip: keep your knees aligned with your toes. This prevents injuries and helps with balance. 10-second rest before moving on. Third set, run in place, 40 sec, and burpee, 10 sec. Now, run in place. This is all about consistency. Keep your knees up and stay light on your feet. And now burpees. Just 10 seconds, so go full power. Jump high, drop down, and explode back up. Tip: if burpees feel too intense, step back instead of jumping. Modify, but don't stop. 10-second rest before transitioning. Fourth set, low plank, 40 sec, and jump squat, 10 sec. All right, low plank, time to work the core. Hold a low plank for 40 seconds. Keep your back straight, elbows under shoulders, and don't let your hips drop. Now, jump squat, then jump squats. 10 seconds, and I want max effort. Push off the ground and land softly. Tip: control your landing, engage your core, and keep your back straight. 10-second rest before moving on. Fifth set, butt kicker, 40 sec, and push-up plus clap, 10 sec. Last round, butt kickers for 40 seconds. Stay light on your feet and pump your arms. Then, let's finish strong with push-ups plus claps. If clapping push-ups feel tough, do regular push-ups instead. Tip: if you're struggling, that's okay. Strength builds over time, just keep moving. And that's a wrap. You just conquered the zigzag workout. By switching between low and high intensity, you trained your endurance, cardio, and strength all in one session. Want to get better? Watch this video again tomorrow and track your progress. The more you repeat, the stronger you'll get. Comment below and tell me which exercise was the hardest for you. Hit subscribe and join the GlowFit family for more workouts like this.